Hello everyone. Are you wondering what girl boss means? Let's explore. Girl boss is a term used to describe a woman who is successful, ambitious, and in control of her life and career. It became popular as a way to celebrate female empowerment and the rise of women who take charge of their professional and personal lives, often breaking through traditional gender roles to achieve success on their terms. The girl boss movement encourages women to be leaders, entrepreneurs, and changemakers, emphasizing the importance of self-confidence, independence, and determination. While the term has been embraced as a symbol of female strength, it has also faced criticism for sometimes promoting a narrow, capitalist view of empowerment that prioritizes individual success over collective progress. In essence, a girl boss is a woman who confidently pursues her goals and asserts her authority, embodying the spirit of modern female empowerment. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.